Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. My name is Rakesh. I am your host here. Today is 20th of May 2024. I am here with my levels on the all Forex pairs, and I will be discussing some price action with you in some time. Please understand one thing, that I am not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. Therefore, whatever trading ideas or opinions that I am going to discuss with you, they are of my own. It has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. Second thing is that everything that I say is only for trading, and only for understanding or having knowledge of the instruments and the price action. Please do not take it as a trading advice. I am not authorized to advise you on trading, and please do not put your hard-earned money or your real money on the line based on my opinions. Please do your own research before you put that. Now, before I begin, I must take you through the risk disclaimer. See guys, this session will be a quick one because I'm not waiting for any questions or something. I am just going to let you know about the key levels for this week. So on your screen right now is the chart of the US dollar index. Now you see that the dollar index was going in an uptrend before it started making like this, lower highs and lower lows. Now this lower high is in formation where the high is the 104.668 levels. Now we are expecting a lower low in this one, which can go clearly towards 103.62 levels, and the bias is bearish in this one. Found on the opposite is in an uptrend, although it has met a zone of resistance, which is a confluence of this horizontal resistance and this rising trend line from these lows, and I'm expecting the price to halt here for some time and come back before we see a move higher. That is what my anticipation is on this one. Now on the next side, higher up, 1.2803 is going to be the next level of resistance. On the downward side, support is supposed to be seen at around 1.2634. In case of euro, we could see the lower pullbacks, or you can say the pullback is slightly better than the GBP/USD, although there is a fair value gap here on the daily, which is suggesting that there is a possibility of the price going even further higher. Now if that happens, then this fair value gap will be providing support to the price in the coming time. Now if it takes support here, the next target will be 1.0885. that is the first thing, and the second objective will be 1.0942. keep that in mind. Talking about the Australian dollar is also of the similar kind of the Euro USD. It has also created a fair value gap on the daily time frame. Now that fair value gap will keep on acting as a support for the price whenever the price meets this area. Now the high targets for this one is 0.6748, and thereafter there are more targets like 0.6871 and all. But yes, the support may be seen around 0.6644, and around this level there is a fair value gap also. So if the price falls, then this area should be seen as an area of accumulation. New Zealand dollar, something similar, just like the Australian dollar. It also has a fair value gap on the daily chart. Now fair value gap on the daily chart is a big deal, guys. You can take the 50% of this and then use it for the trading purposes if you want. So for the New Zealand dollar, the next level of resistance is 0.6218. The support is very far, around 0.5981. USD CHF, I think we should not be looking for any selling opportunity because the swing high that we had seen here has been broken. Now I'm just removing everything else so that we can have a clutter-free charts. So you see guys, if I make a rectangle based on this, then you see that this high had taken the high above this rectangle, and thereafter when I extend it in time, I see that although this was here, today's high is higher than this high. That means after making this low and this low, the highest high is this one, which is the recent one. So we have broken the market structure with the fair value gap. Now this is on the daily, guys. We have broken this, and here there is a fair value gap. This is perfectly aligning with my other confirmations that yes, the price is going to go higher. So I will not be selling this market because there is a more potential of the price going higher from here rather than going down. USD CAD, the price action is not clear here. The price is trading on the channel support line, so I will not stay away from this at least for today. Tomorrow there may be a trade that can emerge here, but right now it is not giving us any clarity. USD JPY up move is possible here. You can see that I have made many positions here, although it is not a wise idea to show your executions, so you can stop it if you want. Alright, New Zealand CAD finally has started moving downwards. If it keeps on moving downwards, then this fair value gap on the daily should provide some support. If it doesn't provide, then the low of that is 0.8248 will be exposed in this market. Bitcoin finally breaks out. This is inverse head and shoulder, you can say, but now the price should start seeking for support around 67,278, sorry, 87, and the target now is for 72,777 for the Bitcoin. For Brent, I think higher highs are not possible here in this market. You can see that the price came close to this but was rejected. Now the high that the price posed here is 84.55, and today the high was 84.51. That means the price could not make any higher high than that day. So expect the lower prices, and I will expect 81.11 to be seen in this market very soon. Gold has broken the previous highs, currently trading at 2434 levels. Higher prices are possible, and you can arrange that. First one is 2517 based on the Fibonacci, I think. But anyways, that is the target for the gold. On the downside, I expect support around 2332. Nikkei finally has broken out and took support and is broken out again. So next level of accumulation, if the price comes to 38,946, should be a brisk one where the price shoots very fast to the upside. If that happens, then the target of 39,956 will be achieved very soon. Euro JPY higher prices, very smoothly going, nothing on the way, but I'm not trading it because it is very close to the area of interest for the sellers. So now GBP AUD, it's a good buy for us. I think yesterday we had witnessed that there is a price structure break, but today there's a clear structure of price action breaking, or I can say trend breaking. And if it closes the day higher than this point 1.9041, then 1.9041 should be seen as a buying opportunity when the price comes from top to the downside. CHF JPY, we don't have a clear trend, so stay away from this one. For the New Zealand, we have a downtrend, and it is being I think seen very nicely. You can see that the price action is following here also, so it's very easy to trade from the fair value gaps. You can see that. Now the next target is 1.0857. That's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me that question. If not, then maybe you can have some suggestions that I should be doing it only from on the basis of the ICT concepts, or I should mix something or the other from my arsenal. If you are happy with whatever you are getting and you are comfortable and confident about what I'm talking about, then fine. If not, then you can ask me in the chat box, or you can also write your questions when the video is published in the comment section. For now, I hope that you got the idea about the crucial level of support and resistance that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember, do not risk more than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade, and look for a potential of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Now, if you do this over and over again, you will be profitable in the longer run. Now, with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow.